If you are planning to study in the UK in September and you are still thinking about London or Manchester, I need you to pause for a second. Because right now, rents across the UK's most popular student cities have gone up by 7 to 15% compared to last year. That means the same money that was manageable 2 years ago is genuinely tight today. But here is the thing, there are cities in the UK where your maintenance funds actually stretch, where you can live well, study at a good university, build your career, and not stress about rent every single month. Today, I'm breaking down three of those cities: Sheffield, Coventry, and Leicester. I'm going to give you the actual numbers, rent, total monthly costs, what the universities are like, and what life actually looks like there. And the good news is you can book your accommodation in all three of those cities through Amber, one of the most trusted student accommodation platforms out there. We will talk more about that later in the video. For now, let's get into it. First city, Sheffield. Sheffield is probably the most underrated student city in the UK, and I say that based on the data. It has two major universities, the University of Sheffield, which is a Russell Group university and has been ranked number one for student satisfaction for 3 years in a row, and Sheffield Hallam, which is one of the largest universities in the UK with over 30,000 students. Now let's talk money. Sheffield ranks third in the entire UK for the lowest student rent. The average monthly accommodation cost in Sheffield is around £493. Shared houses in areas like Crooksmoor and Broomhill go from around £90 to £150 per week. Purpose-built student accommodation, the kind with bills included, a gym and study spaces, starts from around £135 per week. Your total monthly budget in Sheffield, covering rent, food, transport, and everything else, is typically between £900 to £1,100. Compare that to Manchester, where the same lifestyle runs between £1,200 to £1,500 easily. Sheffield's living costs are 8.7% lower than Manchester and 27.5% lower than London. And one more thing about Sheffield that most people miss: it sits right next to the Peak District National Park. So on weekends, you are not stuck inside a flat, you are hiking, camping, or just getting out of the city for nearly nothing. The student community is huge, the nightlife is solid, and Kelham Island, Sheffield's food and drinks quarter, is genuinely one of the best areas in the UK for students. Sheffield gives you a lot more than you would expect for what you are paying. Next up, Coventry. And if you are an Indian student, this one is especially worth your attention. Coventry University has one of the highest proportions of Indian students of any university in the UK. It is ranked number one in the UK for international student diversity in the QS Europe rankings. That means from day one, you are in a community that feels familiar. There are people from your background, Indian food is accessible, and the cultural adjustments is genuinely easier than in most other UK cities. Now, the numbers. Rent in Coventry is 60.9% lower than in London. That is not a small difference, that is a completely different budget reality. Shared accommodation in Coventry starts from around £350 to £370 per month. Student accommodations goes from approximately £141 per week upwards. Your total monthly budget, including everything, is typically between £1,050 and £1,300. Coventry has also been ranked the number one most affordable city for students in the UK. And a detail that often gets overlooked: the University of Warwick, one of the most respected universities in the country for business, engineering, and law, is also based in Coventry. So if you are at Warwick, you are getting a world-class education in one of the most budget-friendly cities in the UK. That combination is genuinely hard to beat. The city itself is compact and very easy to get around. Birmingham is 20 minutes away by train. You are not isolated. You have everything you need close by without paying Birmingham or London prices for it. Now, Leicester. And if you want a city in the UK that genuinely feels like home, this is probably it. Leicester has one of the largest and most established South Asian communities in the entire country. The Highfields area and the Golden Mile on Belgrave Road are full of Indian restaurants, grocery shops, temples, and cultural spaces. For Indian students, especially, the adjustment to UK life in Leicester is significantly easier than almost anywhere else. On the academic side, you have two strong universities. The University of Leicester is ranked 31st in the UK by the Complete University Guide 2026. And De Montfort University was ranked first in the world for international student satisfaction in 2024, according to the data. That is not a small achievement. The accommodation costs in Leicester are among the lowest in the UK. Weekly rents for a shared house go from around £85 to £160 per week. Student accommodation starts from £95 per week. Your average monthly living costs in Leicester, excluding rent, sit around £766, which is roughly half of what you would spend in London. And with rent including, most students manage comfortably on £900 to £1200 per month. Leicester is also extremely walkable. Most student areas are within walking distance of both universities. Transport costs are minimal compared to bigger cities, which is another saving that adds up across the year. Now, if any of these cities are on your list for September 2026, you need to start thinking about accommodations right now, not next month. September rooms fill up fast, and the best options, the ones with bills included, good locations, and verified listings, go first. This is where Amber comes in. Amber is a student accommodation platform with the verified listings across the UK, including Sheffield, Coventry, and Leicester. Every listing on Amber has been checked, so you are not dealing with dodgy listings or surprise charges when you arrive. Their team is there to help you at every step, from shortlisting the right property to completing your booking. They make the whole process simple. And right now, if you book through Amber, you can get cashback and early booking discounts on your accommodation. September intake is close, so the earlier you move on this, the better. The link is in the description. Go check what is available in whichever city works for your budget and your university. So, to summarize, Sheffield for affordable Russell Group quality and an incredible student experience. Coventry for the most welcoming international student community and some of the lowest rents in the UK. And Leicester if you want a city that genuinely feels like home with strong universities and a budget that is actually manageable. These are not compromises, these are smart choices, and in 2026 with rents rising and maintenance funds staying the same, smart choices matter more than ever. If you found this useful, subscribe because I cover the UK student and career journey every week with actual data. I will see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye guys.